focus. Focus. Why aren't you? There we go. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're all good. You're probably fed up of hearing how many mares I have every time I film, but it seems like every time I film something goes wrong. Today I had to film a makeup video with glitter. I'm gonna insert a photo of what I actually ended up looking like here. Just come out the shower with a coffee, third coffee of the day. I'm actually in my pyjamas in my new successful bedroom, and I cannot wait to show you guys because I've been working on this project for about a week and a half now. It's been filling up my memory cards on my camera. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I've been DIYing, painting furniture, Ikeaing, rearranging this bedroom that I am in right now. It went from this to this. I am absolutely obsessed. I really wanted to feel comfortable in this bedroom because I do spend a lot of time here. I love to do my yoga practice in here. I love to now read books in here, and it's a place now where I can finally feel energetic, like I want to start my day well. Honestly, it's been such a journey. A few things from Ikea, so there's a bit of an Ikea haul in this video, and a lot of DIY hacks. There is a special DIY hack which is going to be coming up on my channel, which is how I made this pillow behind me out of 2 rugs. I'll tell you all through the video. If you'd like to see how I created this bedroom, then keep watching. So we tackled the furniture first. These are the bedside tables, and I'm just cleaning them here to make sure that there's no dust. And oh, poor Rich, he's still on crutches and he looks really cute in his little chef's outfit, bless him. But yeah, we cleaned them and made sure that there was no dust on there, so it was easy to apply paint. And these are the paints that we used. Both from Amazon. I'll link everything down below, including the furniture, but this is just a white chalk paint and like a pistachio colour green paint. As you can probably guess, the theme is going to be white with a hint of green in there, and I didn't really know what I was going with. I just knew that I wanted all the furniture to be white, and these bedside tables were actually from Argos for super cheap. I think they were like £18 each. So with chalk paint you can literally do any direction brush stroke, and maybe like 2 or 3 coats. I think we did 3 coats in the end. You could do 2 or 1 coat, it'll give it more of like a vintage shabby chic vibe, or you can do it really opaque and do 4 coats. We painted the drawers pistachio green, but we really hated it, so you'll see later on that we ended up repainting in white. So the next thing we painted was the Chester drawers from Argos, which aren't the best Chester drawers in the world, but they did the job. We changed up the handles on them as well, which I will talk about later, but we did a couple of coats. I think we did 3. The next thing we did was a bit of a risky move, but we did it, and it was just one of my ideas, and I think Rich really like pulled it together, made it happen. So we took these like kind of like foot shelves, maybe like shoe shelves that were left in our rented property, and I sanded them to make the surface smooth so they were easy to paint over, which was, I think I got the sandpaper really cheap off Amazon. And then Rich put some nails in the shelves and then used wood glue to glue the shelves together. And then we painted it, which you'll see later. I think all the furniture took about 2 to 3 hours to dry. This is the DIY shoe rack slash shelving unit that we made, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. I actually really like the really close shelves in the middle because it fits our Alexa in perfectly, and any like miscellaneous stuff that we actually don't really want on show goes in there. It's actually really handy. So we started piecing up the furniture back into the bedroom. These were the handles that we bought from HomeSense. They're ceramic and Moroccan style. They're so beautiful. I think they were like $4.99. I painted a wooden frame from Ikea, this pistachio green colour, because I just wanted to paint something pistachio green, and this was an A4 print that we got from Night Sky Poster. It's basically the star constellation of the night we got together. So I decided that I wanted to move my clothes rail because it's taken up so much room where I could put something nice, and I actually have an open wardrobe that I don't really use, so I actually transferred all my clothes into the open wardrobe, and at the same time I downsized, which proved quite difficult. So sorry about the unflattering bum shot, but this is me putting in the drawers for the wardrobe and I'm so happy with it. I think it looks so expensive.
Me.
Just
what up, me?
Like this?
Maybe like kind of in the corner. I don't know.
I think maybe here. I'll put the succulents.
The succulents.
Where are they from again?
The succulents. Fake plants.
Yeah.
They're from Ikea.
Where'd you put her?
La Buddha. Slow motion. Don't even need to use effects with this footage. Basically invisible.
So I think changing up your bed sheets is really important if you want to like redecorate your room. It can really change your vibe. I got these from Shaw's. It's literally a bed sheet, like a flat non-fitted bed sheet that doesn't have the corners around it, and I'm using it as a throw because it's a good idea to use it as a throw in the summer instead of like a thick quilt. So this is a mirror from my mum's old hairdressing salon. I absolutely love this mirror, so I wanted to like reinvent it, so I put loads of newspaper on it and masking tape so that it didn't get painted on, and then I painted the frame like a white, chalky white situation. I only used about 2 coats because I really wanted it to be vintage and shabby looking. So it was at this stage that we decided we hated the pistachio green on the bedside table, so we just resanded it and painted it white. Literally don't be scared to like repaint if you want to. Hi guys, so I've just come back from Ikea with my mum and aunt, and we had a very good productive shopping spree. I knew exactly what I was going to get, so I've got a few things and I thought I'd show you. First thing that I wanted to get was a cushion cover for this pillow because it is so disgusting. It's literally like, I don't know if you can see how gross it is where my dog's been on it. I saw this one and I thought this would go with the green vibes, also like a linen material. I was thinking about getting a plain one and actually painting this on myself, which could definitely easily be done. I don't know if you can see how like easy you could do that. Like it's so like rustic looking. I ended up just buying it. That cushion cover was £4.50. The next thing I got was this door hang. It's the Enuden. I will link all this below. It is basically a door hang. It looks like this. I don't know if you can see here. It's a white one of these and it just sits behind the door because I don't know if you can see behind me, Rich has got a towel hanging and it drives me insane. And that was £3. I also did get some of these, which are, you probably have seen them quite a lot if you watch a lot of Ikea videos. Sortso, made out of this like woven fabric, and they have this like nice fringing on the outside, and they're very Scandinavian, very similar to what my macrame is. And I got 6 of those. I'm gonna show you a little DIY after this of what I'm gonna do with these rugs, but basically I've got something really good lined up for them. And then I actually got another 2 of those to make into a cushion. A bargain, a bloody good bargain. Did get some of this inner stuffing, which came to £2.25. It's just some inner stuffing that goes in cushions, so this will help me when I'm making the cushions, hopefully. There was one plant pot I got, which I'm not going to show you. It's basically just a white plant pot for the kitchen. I did get this ivy plant. This is a real plant from Ikea. This was £3, and then this like woven basket was £3 also. I'm gonna have this hanging where like my mirror is. I made this macrame plant hang a couple of days ago. I'm really into like macrame at the moment, and this fits perfectly inside and hopefully will like intertwine within my mirror, and I'm just really happy about this. The last thing I got from Ikea was this big green plant. It is a peace lily. It's got like these like white sort of lily flowers on them, so I just thought it'd be really nice to bring like the green in with the white, because they've got the white buds on there. I'm gonna place that in this little corner where you come in. Bought this plant pot as well, which I'm gonna paint white now whilst it's sunny outside. The plant was £7.50 and the plant pot was £3. I'm very excited to show you how I do this rug and cushion. And make everything white in this room. So for this DIY hack, you'll need some string or rope, scissors and a sewing needle, and this is super easy. I was so happy with this and how it turned out. You'll need some rugs from Ikea. These are the £3 rugs. You could get bigger ones if you want to spend more money, but I wanted the cheapest possible really, and I absolutely love this colour. So all you need to do is literally sew the 2 rugs together, and I did this for the 6 of them to the shape of my bedroom. You don't have to be an expert at sewing, but you do need some patience. It did take me about an hour and a half maybe to complete the whole rug, and it's a massive rug. I used 6 in total of the £3 rugs, which actually only cost me £18. When it came to the fringing, I actually sewed around the fringing, and I kind of liked the way it was sticking up. So you'll see in the later on clip that I ended up liking the texture of the fringe and had it that face up. Make sure when you flip it you do unpick the labels. You can cut them, it's actually quite easy. So I will be showing you how to do a DIY Ikea pillow in a separate video, but all you'll need is some rugs, the inner cushion, rope and scissors. I really can't wait for you to see how I created this pillow, because it was so easy and it literally took me about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So this is me just changing up my pillowcase to that new Ikea leaf pillowcase, which was like £4. And the next day when I completed my DIY Ikea pillow, I added that into it, and that completes the redecorating. So guys, that was it. I really hope you enjoyed this massive extreme bedroom makeover. I really hope it gave you some ideas of what you could do in your bedroom. If you'd like to see me do more of these sort of videos, then please let me know, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you want more, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.